Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And today I'm showing you how to get these luscious, beautiful, bodacious beach curls, natural body wave curls, whatever you want to call them. They are beautiful, y'all. They are very beautiful and they have lasting power, okay? They're going to stay. So if you want to see how to get that, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm just here to, pass along the good news, to give you the good black girl information that every black girl needs to know, that I did not know, that somebody had to tell me, and now I want to tell you, okay? So let's talk about how we can actually make our Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, whatever kind of hair you got in your head, how we can actually make this thing hold a curl. So I have this wig or whatever. She's 24 inches. She's giving you life or whatnot. She's really long. She's really luscious. The only thing is she don't hold a curl. She do not hold a curl for nothing, y'all. So I have tried and tried and tried to make this hair hold a curl. Nothing was working for me until my friend put me on. Only things you will need is a styling tool, a heat styling tool of your choice. You will need some hairspray. Last but certainly not least, you will need this. This is the key ingredient. This is the Krabby Patty secret formula right here. This is what you need. Okay, so we're gonna use these and go ahead and get started. So in case you're wondering, I already have a video on how I apply and originally styled this wig. I will leave it linked up in the cards for you so you can go ahead and watch that. But today we just talking about how to style this thing, okay? I was originally going in with my heat styling tool, curling my hair, and then trying to spray it with the hairspray to make it hold a curl. I even curled it and then held it, let it cool down in my hand, and then let the curl go. Nothing worked, y'all. My hair was falling within like 10 minutes. What we actually need to do is go in with our Pump It Up spritz our section first, and then curl the hair, and then let it do that sound. So we have our nice little section. I'm going to spritz her down. Make sure she is nice and spritzed. I actually use my curling iron as a curling wand. Wrap this thing around like so. Do y'all hear that? That is the sound of magic happening. I'm holding it here for about 15-ish seconds. I will go ahead and just slide that hair on off there. Got my little section. I'm going to spritz her down. And I'm combing that spritz through, taking my styling tool. When your curl is ready, just gonna slide that thing right off. So we've curled these two sections. Let me show y'all what that looks like in the front. So I'm taking my section of hair. Still hear a little sizzling, that means it's still cooking. Look at that beautiful curl, okay? Again, this is super simple and y'all probably like, sis, you didn't need a whole video for that. But somebody had to tell me. So I'm just guessing, I'm hypothesizing that there's somebody out there that didn't know. And now I'm telling you. Now everybody knows. And everybody benefits. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. Honey, curls for the girls. I'm going to take my hairspray and spray everything. That's how I finally figured out how to curl my hair. Shout out to my friend Amber. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We are on a journey to 10K. Let me know if there's any other things that I'm just completely overlooking, some little black girl tricks and tips that I don't know about, obviously, that you do. Please let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, that's all I have for you. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.